Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can leave a group on GroupMe account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. In order to leave a group on GroupMe account, first thing you need to make sure that you've already updated your application and then open up your GroupMe application. Once you open up your GroupMe application, you'll be able to see this kind of interface, or you'll be directed to the chat page. So on this chat page, you need to select the particular group that you want to actually remove yourself. So just click on the group and then you'll be taken to the chat page once again. Since I've already created the group for the tutorial purpose, you will not be able to see the similar interface. You need to click on the profile name or the group name, and then you'll be taken to the profile page and you'll be able to see a list of options. Now right at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option as settings. Click on it. So if you're an admin, then you'll have an option as end group, and if you're not an admin and if you're just a member of the group, then you'll be able to see an option as leave group. You need to click on it. So as soon as you click on leave group, you'll be removed out of the group, and in that way you can leave a group on GroupMe account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.